Wait, that's your camera?
All right, Max. What are we doing today?
I'm helping Daddy pack the computer up.
Why are you doing that?
Because it's my homework.
It's your homework. What are you supposed to do for your homework?
I'm supposed to help someone and it's whoever I want, and I'm supposed to pick who my mom, dad, brother, sister, except any one of those, and I have to pick one.
That was and you picked your dad. That's me. Thank you. That's nice. Alright, well let's see. Let's put this computer away. How can we do it? Let's see. Alright, first I guess we can unplug the plug in the back. Do that. Unplug the plug that's in the back. Right?
What plug? This? Hello?
And go over by the wall and unplug it out of the wall.
Okay. This is fun.
Is it fun to help? Alright, then bring it over here.
Okay, take this too.
Yeah. You hold and wind it.
Okay, I can wind it.
Wind it. Good. Alright, then I'll pinch this. You wind the other one. Wind it.
Wind it.
Round and around. So you get dizzy. Last thing. Put this around. Pull it tight. You gotta get that bump in there. Down in there. Stays all wrapped up. Put in there. And this part, be careful. This is the part we can't. I don't want to drop it.
The computer.
And zip it up. This one.
Why? I wasn't here.
Good. Give me a kiss for helping.